Hello everyone, and thank you for watching this presentation. My name is Sylvain Agostini from the Shimoda Marine Research Center, University of Tsukuba, Japan. Today I would like to present the Talajambio Microplastic Mission, a project that includes science, education and art, with the aim of sharing our knowledge of the ocean and the environmental threats it's facing. This project is a collaboration between Talaocean and Jambio. Jambio is a network of marine stations on all coasts of Japan that belong to national universities. The Talaocean Foundation was created by Inesbe and Borwa, in association with scientific from all over the world, is developing a scientific program and educative program to enable us to predict, anticipate, and better understand climate risks and change in biodiversity of the ocean. The project consists in going to the different marine stations to conduct field samplings using the local boats in collaboration with local researchers and by using the infrastructure offered by the marine stations. At each location, we are sampling surface water using Newstonet for microplastics and plankton, but we are also sampling sediments using a Smith-McIntyre grab to study microplastic pollutions in the sediment and the diversity of meiofauna. The samples are first processed at the marine station and brought back to Shimoda Marine Research Center for further processing and analysis. The project has three goals. The first one is to assess microplastic pollution in Japan's coastal surface waters and sediment. The second is to investigate the microbial communities associated with microplastics, also known as plastisphere, with the aim to evaluate their potential impacts on ecosystems. Finally, we try to increase awareness in Japan on plastic pollution and the environmental threats to the ocean through an educative and art program. Despite limitations linked with the COVID pandemic, in 2020 and 2021, we are able to sample in 11 locations, including 9 marine stations, from the further west of Japan at the Amakusa station of Kyushu University to the most northern marine station in Japan, the Akechi station of Hokkaido University. We plan to continue our sampling effort during 2022 to cover the Japan Sea and other regions such as Tokyo Bay. I have performed location sampling already in 11 locations, and as we have accumulated more than 100 samples for surface water and as many for sediment, this project represents already the largest survey in Japan to our knowledge on microplastic pollution in surface water and sediment. We have also been conducting mostly monitoring in Shimoda following the same protocol since July 2020. Unfortunately, microplastics were found in all samples that have been processed, meaning half of the sediment and most of the surface water samples. We have been collecting environmental data, and because we are sampling for surface and sediment, we are trying to investigate the horizontal flux of microplastics, so from the land to the sea, and the vertical sinking flux of these plastics. The DNA analysis from the plastisphere, but also eDNA and diversity analysis of benthic fauna and plankton are now being processed to evaluate the impact on marine ecosystems. Each sampling events at the different marine stations were also the occasion to conduct education activities, such as seminar, workshops, beach cleanings, but also microplastic sampling on beach with local high schools. We have been also moving a panel exposition that explains what is plastic pollution and the different threats, environmental threats to the ocean. Finally, as it has been the case for all Terra Ocean expedition, we are collaborating with artists and with the Tokyo University of Art and Professor Hibino Katsuhiko. The artists joined us during our survey on the boat for the sampling and are now producing or have already produced some art pieces that will help in spreading the word on environmental threats to the ocean. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question, feel free to contact me.